Hello lovely people, this is Chef and Knife. Thank you for watching my channel, and today is about peeler, right? uh, that's a very old pillar, right? You can see it says made in Switzerland, right? Company is Star, right? I have this pillar with me, right? uh, it says made in Switzerland, and it's a very good pillar. Company is a Star, but I don't know which company it's called Star, but it's from Switzerland. It's local made pillar, so that's the pillar, right? And I have seen lots of videos regarding about pillars, right? That why people use pillar. These kind of pillars are very fast to peel vegetables, right? This is our easiest way to peel and see that is this good for you or not, because every pillar have a different background and different approach to peel your vegetable. Whenever you're going to whenever you're going to buy a pillar, just grab it and see that can I use this pillar to peel my vegetable, how comfortable you are with this pillar. So that's the main option. When you're going to buy a pillar, right, you need to see that can you uh, grab it, or can you use this pillar in multiple tasks. So don't go for expensive peeler. There are lots of peelers in market which is very cheap, and it can be goes with you for a long time. You just need to maintain your pillar, right? So I will see you soon, people. Thank you for watching my channel. This is Chef and Knife. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.